Okay, this is June 22nd, and the perennial bed out front here is full of daylilies. Here's the hibiscus getting ready to bloom. Here's some Oriental hybrid lilies. Look at the size of those blooms. Look at this hardy geranium. And this foxglove I put out here looks like it's going to make it just fine. And that is a potted plant that I bought. And that, I think that's a phlox, and I found it actually growing out in the yard. And it seems to be doing just fine. I transplanted it up here. Here's the coral bells. I just planted that this year from bare root that I bought. 3 of them over in here. There's another one right there. There's one more, but I think it might be it right there. I had a hard time up here because when I planted it, these hostas hadn't grown out here yet. Here's the coral bells that have been growing here for years, and they got a big circle of them, so each one is sending up blooms. Here's an older hardy geranium that's done blooming for the year. Oh, and look at the size of this hybrid lily. That was one huge hosta. Looks like the raspberries are about done. Here's some more lilies left to bloom. And roses. It's blaze climbing rose. Oh, here it is. The first Japanese beetle. Here's where all the work has been going on. I've planted this area here with seeds, and you can see they're coming up. And the mosquitoes are out. Here's some of those. There's some more out here. This is the first wildflower bed that I planted this year. And here's some different flowers. Oh yeah, they're coming up too. Right there. We can see them all along there. And there's some there too. And these are seeds from last year that I planted. Well, the mosquitoes are pretty thick out here. We just had a lot of rain. They're always thick after the rain. Well, if I'm going to pull weeds, I need to go ahead and put something on, some mosquito repellent on. These are wild phlox, I think, that reseeded themselves from last year. And here's some plants that we planted. There's a hot banana pepper, and here's some weeds that are growing. Here's a cucumber plant that we planted right here. Here's some green bell peppers. Here's a marigold that reseeded itself. And these are black-eyed Susans. And that's a hollyhock. And here's a tomato plant that I planted. And these are flowers that I planted last year. And here is some watermelon that we bought plants for and planted. Okay, if you thought that was a good video, can you please subscribe and like this video? I would really appreciate it. It helps me out. And thank you very much for watching, and I will talk to you next time. Thanks. Bye.